A very good morning to all of you. Today, as we celebrate our Republic Day, my heart fills with pride and gratitude for being a citizen of this incredible nation. This day holds a great significance in Indian history. It marks the adoption of our Constitution on January 26, 1950, transforming India into a sovereign democratic republic. Long ago, India was under the British rule for nearly 200 years. During this time, the British imposed harsh laws and our people suffered greatly and faced immense struggle. Our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Sardar Patel devoted their lives to the struggle for independence. Their efforts united people across the nation and brought us freedom in 1947. On Republic Day, we honor their sacrifices and celebrate the visionary leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who crafted our Constitution to uphold justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. On this special occasion, let us remember the valiant soldiers who sacrificed their lives to defend our freedom. Their selflessness and bravery inspire us to stay united and remain committed to our nation. Republic Day celebrations showcase India's vibrant culture. Parades across the country, especially the grand one in New Delhi, fill us with pride. The unfurling of the tricolour reminds us of our values. As citizens, it is our duty to cherish our rights. At the same time, we must fulfill our responsibilities to build a stronger nation. Let us honor the past, celebrate the present, and work for a brighter future. May our nation continue to prosper and grow in unity and strength. Wish you all a proud and memorable Republic Day. Jai Hind.